Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, every key specification and killer features has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as far as we know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 alongside with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and few other devices are going to be launching during the Unpacked event on August 11, 2021. Though Samsung itself haven't confirmed any specification of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there have been an abundance of rumors helping reveal what we can expect from the third generation of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So in this video we are going to discuss about every key specification and detail that has been arrived about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So starting from the Galaxy Z Fold 3 display, it is rumored to be coming with a 6.23 inch of outer display, and it's offering a 2268 by 832 pixel resolution, while the inside display is claimed to be of 7.56 inches with a resolution of 2208 and 1768 pixels, making it the same as its predecessor. 120 Hz of refresh rate is expected on the main display again, and it's also going to be supported by HDR10 Plus as well. So definitely the front of the display is also going to be a little bit on the stronger side. We are going to see a new ultra thin gloss technology that is even going to be harder, and it's going to be even durable than the last year model. Also the front of the display is going to be coming with the world first ever foldable device, which is going to be supported by under display camera. This is definitely going to be one of the improvements which we are going to see in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also the front of the display is going to be coming with the world first ever foldable device, which is going to support the S Pen as well. So definitely this is going to be a much improvement in terms of its display, so it's going to be a great device. So as far as the design of the device is concerned, on the back we are going to see a triple camera setup which is positioned in a vertical camera bump, which is coming with a triple camera setup on the back side with an LED flashlight as well, and the camera bump on the back side is even going to be thinner than the last year Galaxy Z Fold 2. So this is going to be absolutely great design we have right now. Unfortunately, we are not going to see any improvement in the camera department here. We are going to see a 12 megapixel of main sensor, 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, which probably going to be same as the Galaxy S21 or the Galaxy Z Fold 2 that was previously announced. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with two separate cameras, one on the outer display and one in the inner display. The inner display camera sensor is going to be an under display camera, and that is going to be supported by 16 megapixel, while the outer display is going to be supported by 10 megapixel of selfie camera. In terms of hardware and specification, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor inside, which is obviously going to be faster in terms of its performance, and with that it's also going to be coming with at least 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Anyhow, there is not going to be any support for the micro SD card inside the device, so that is going to be a disappointment for many of the Samsung fans. So basically the Snapdragon 888 chipset is a 5G chipset, so definitely we are going to see Galaxy Z Fold 3 to be supported by 5G. It's also going to be coming with a smaller battery capacity of 4380 mAh of a battery cell inside, which is also split into different options, and it will support a 25 watt of wired charging, 15 watt of wireless charging, and a 5 watt of reverse wireless charging support inside the device. The design of the device is obviously going to be even better this time around. We are going to see a small gap when the device is going to be closed in the last year Galaxy Z Fold 2. Also, there is going to be a bunch of improvement in the speaker department as the render images showcased. There are even going to be more holes in the speaker grill than the last year Galaxy Z Fold 2. Finally, it's come about the pricing, but this time around there is going to be a great news. We are definitely going to see a price drop this time around because the Galaxy Note devices are not going to be coming this time around. So basically we are going to see a price drop in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 devices. According to the leaks and rumors, we are going to see a price of at least $1,600 for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be coming with a price tag of at least $1,100. With that being said, there is also a leak which also showcased that we are also going to see a free gifts and coupons when the Galaxy Z Fold 3 device is going to be launched as a pre-order. So all in all, this is going to be a great device. We have the S Pen support, under display camera sensor, and even more a great display as well. So definitely this is going to be a great option to have. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.